Hey, what's up guys, I update all of you doing well. So today in this video we will talk about some security features that you guys might be missing out with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First of all, if you have it already, so you should update your device on the latest OneUi 8 update along with the Android 16 update. To check out this update, simply go into the settings and software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see the new OneUi 8 update. So there are many new features and changes available with the OneUi 8 update. Now if we talk about the security features, so first of all you will get to see the security patch level of the September 1st 2025. Previously the security patch level was of August and now you get to see the latest September 1st 2025 security patch. Now for the other security features, simply go into the safety and emergency. From here tap on unknown tracker alerts. So when these alerts are on, you will get a notification if an unknown tracker is detected traveling with you. Alerts are detected after the 48 hours. To turn it on, simply turn the toggle on of allow alerts. And not only that, you can also do a manual scan to check for trackers near you right now that are separated from their owner. If we talk about what is a tracker, so trackers are small Bluetooth devices that the owners can attach to the items like bag or keys, or in some cases they might use to track people without their knowledge. So this security feature can help you to prevent that. Now for the next feature, go into the security and privacy and from here tap on more security settings and tap on enhanced data protection. So with the enhanced data protection, you can protect your cloud data with end-to-end encryption. This ensures no one can access your data but you, even if there's a data breach. To turn it on, simply tap on Encrypt Backup Data or Encrypt Sync Data. Now let's move on to the next feature, so that is also in the security and privacy, that is the auto blocker. So the auto blocker helps you keep you safe from the security threats, suspicious activity and the privacy risk. The features that it include are block apps from the unauthorized sources, block commands by the USB cable, block malware images in the messaging apps, and blocks non-official software updates. To turn auto blocker on, simply tap on this toggle on and it will be turned on. There's another feature also available in auto blocker, that is maximum restrictions. It provides extra strong protection for people who want it. Most of the people don't need this level of protection, but if you turn it on, some of your phone features will be limited. It includes features like turns on app protection, block device admin apps, blocks the 2G networks. Also, it blocks the auto reconnection of non-secure Wi-Fi networks. And some other security features are included with it. And that's it for today's video. Try out these security features and let me know in the comment section that have you updated your device on the OneUi 8 or not yet. Also, if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.